there, it's Dawn, and today I'm going to do a 4 flip cup pour on this 9 by 12 inch canvas, and the color scheme I'm using is purple and blue, an analogous color scheme. As well, it was recommended by my son, who said, "You've been doing everything in red lately," so I guess he wanted me to change it up, so I have no problem with that. Today's colors are Cerulean blue, Turquoise blue, Prussian blue hue, I believe this is it's light violet, metallic purple, and this one is Liquitex Basics in the deep violet. So they're all purples and blues, and they're all Artist Loft except for this one, the Liquitex Basics deep violet. I've also got some white mixed up over here, because I was looking at these colors thinking, well, you know, they're pretty colors together, but there's not a lot of contrast. So I wanted to throw some white in there for some contrast. And I put a shot of this coconut milk serum, a shot. I always say a shot, a squirt, just a wee squirt in these 6 colors, but none in the white. So I guess we'll start building our flip cups. Actually, I'm kind of glad he suggested these colors, because I haven't worked in these colors for a while, and I do like my purples and blues. And maybe some white. Oh, I said earlier that they were analogous colors, and that just means that they're side by side on the color wheel. I don't have a color wheel to show you, but you can Google that, people, if you want to. I don't know if you've noticed a difference, but the last few videos I have recorded the audio live while painting, as opposed to dubbing it over with a voiceover, because, well, I'm trying to get more comfortable on camera. And I think it's going well, but you know what? I could be deluding myself, so if you want to throw a comment down below, say, "Hey, yeah, you're doing a great job," or, "Whoa, lady, you should go back to voiceovers," I won't be offended. Honestly, I won't be offended. Anyway, I'm thinking I could speed this up while I pour this paint, so you don't have to listen to me ramble on about silly things or talk to myself. So I'll be right back in just a moment. And there we go. We just got a little bit of white left to split up over these few cups. And I think we'll be good to go. Okay, all the paint is in the cups and we're ready to start flipping them. Aren't those pretty? I like the way those colors are sitting in the cups. We've got some cells popping but we'd rather have them on the canvas. So I always have trouble with this. If I leave the cups on the canvas, I'm always afraid I'm going to hit them with my arm, especially when I'm trying to flip. I'm trying to flip fast. There we go. There's one. Can we do it again? 2, 3. Ugh. Ooh, that's pretty, eh? And 4. Well, I guess we'll start on this side. Flip and drag. Ooh, there's some really pretty colors in here. There we go. I'll just let those cups drain for a sec. They're very pretty inside. And then we'll get to tilting. All right. Got lots of nice cells popping up, which is to be expected because I did use quite a bit of silicone in all the colors but white. Yeah, I'm liking the darker side more than the light side. So it's like, do we run more paint off this side? But you know what? I think I'm gonna start on this side and we'll see if we can stretch the other. There's plenty of paint here so we can be a little bit indiscriminate with how much paint we run off. There we go. Ease it back. I am liking this. Well, let's go on down. Try to tilt a little slower. I don't want to lose my cells or too much paint. This is a nice looking painting, if you ask me. And now, try to keep this darker stuff here. Oh, come on, move, move, move. Move it back. There we go. And now, see if we can keep. And there we go. I just didn't want to lose all those funky looking cells over there. But we gotta get some paint down here, so. Oh, I'm trying to go slow, but it's so hard. And back, because I like that stripe there. So, a lot of interesting little areas in here. Just playing with it a little bit, but not too much, I hope. All right. I'm liking that. I'm going to pull off these gloves so I can torch. And we'll see what else we can get to pop up here. Although there are quite a bit. I really like this area. I was liking this over area until it started stretching, but you know what? We'll just see what we get when we hit it with the torch. But seriously, there's a lot of cells on here. Like all I'm doing is popping air bubbles. I really don't see much in the way of cells popping up, which is fine. There we go. Well, I think that looks nice. So I am going to come back with a close-up in just a moment. I like the darker colors here. There are so many cells and cells within cells. So that's kind of neat. I think I used just about the right amount of white for contrast. And I just love this area right here. That's so pretty. I think maybe I could have done with less of the lightest purple. But overall, I think it's a very striking painting. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It really means a lot that you took a couple minutes out of your day to spend with me and my art. Before you go, I'd like to let you know that my face is going to show up about here. And when it does, if you click on it, you'll be subscribed and you won't miss my future videos. If you're looking for me, see my channel art for icons or check the handy dandy links down below. Also, before you go, if you could click like on this video, you'll be doing a good deed and it'll make your heart feel better and it'll make mine feel better too. So it's a win-win. Anyway, you have a super day and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.